Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to import contacts from our SIM card to our phone in Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, we need to open our contacts. Then we have three lines and manage contacts. So we want to import contacts from SIM card. So import contacts from work. Let's say we want mom. Done. And import to our phone. Yes, import. Contact added to your phone. Thank you. Let's back out. And now we have our mom on our phone and no longer on our in our SIM card. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.